And to open it up, it's pretty easy. You just simply go down like so, and then you lock the bottom legs in place. The top one here, we just simply press a little button underneath and she comes up and locks in place again. The legs are set nice and wide so the bike that's sitting on the stand is very secure. Now, as you can see, they've got various clamps on it. We loosened this one, pops that out, and you can actually rotate wherever you want it to, and then you simply lock it back in place. This one on top, as you can see, closes the jaws down on this, and you just simply lock it in place. With that, you can actually unwind it or make it smaller, whatever you prefer to do. The one on the side here, this has a little trigger underneath. You activate the trigger, you can close it, and then you just simply lock it in place. One down further, this one is for the height, so you can actually lift up and adjust the height that the bike is off the ground. All in all, not a bad little device. My bikes are a little bit on the heavy side. I think this would be great with a lighter bike, without a doubt. This is brilliant, really good design. You've also got this little handy tool holder which simply bolts onto the stand itself. So you can put all your tools in this little spot and you don't lose anything, which is great. Now the stand is holding an NCM e-bike and it's being held by the seat post. And when you need to do maintenance on your bike, you've got this little device. It doesn't take up much space in your garage and it's there whenever you need it. Great little thing to have.